David here from the Local Plug, guys. Today I'm talking about smoke alarms, and when you have more than one smoke alarm, they all need to be interlinked. And what this means is that when one starts beeping, the rest will also start beeping. Smoke alarms are usually interlinked with wires running between them, but here I've used wireless interlinked smoke alarms because it's not possible to run cables here between them, and this will save a lot of time and labor. Now, I don't care if the middle button of the smoke alarm says test. The real way to test the smoke alarm is to use smoke spray to simulate actual smoke.